so quick update. Today is January the 8th, I'm pretty sure. Yes, it is 5 o'clock. I just stopped by the office and talked to the realtor, and I asked him when they were gonna fix this recessed lighting and the little piece and the piece in the garage, and confirmed that the people were coming tomorrow to do the outside of the garage. So he said to put it in the warranty for these two pieces, like the lighting and the piece inside of the garage, like put that in the warranty thing so that it'll be a paper trail essentially, although we already have one. That was the point of us doing the addendum and whatnot before we closed. And the garage people will for sure be here tomorrow. He said that they probably aren't going to start and finish it tomorrow, but that they are at least gonna get the ball rolling and they'll need a couple of weeks or whatever. I'm like, bruh, my first housewarming party is coming up. Well, not really, it's at the end of the month, so I need y'all to hurry up and get stuff finished. So anyway, I will have my husband do the warranty thing when he gets home because he knows about the warranty thing and I don't. And I just wanted to give you guys like an update. I am in the process of buying a dining room table. So what we have now is that little circular round glass table, but it's not really doing it for me at all. And it really only comfortably seats 4. I want something that will seat 6. So that being said, I have found a table, but it is in Charleston, South Carolina. I'm willing to go the distance for the price of the table. I mean, I would be, honestly, it's a fraction of what I would pay for such a table. I'm probably like a fourth of what I would be paying. So I'm willing to go the distance there to get it. Now I'm kind of looking for some chairs, just looking to see if I can find a deal on some chairs on Facebook Marketplace, of course. So I'm on Facebook Marketplace pretty heavy, honestly, because I'm just trying to see what deals there are out there and whatnot. And yeah, that's kind of pretty much what's going on. Of course, the TVs are mounted and, you know, all of that. And that's pretty much the only update that I have. So I do think that I'm going to place maybe like a $300 or so order on Amazon, because I want to purchase some dishware and forks and spoons, like a silverware set, and some porcelain dishes and bowls and trays and stuff for the housewarming and for, you know, just for any type of entertaining that I do here. So I'll probably go ahead and do that in a couple of days. And also I'm going to purchase us those drawers so we can put those together, put them on either side of the closet, on either side of our closet, and put our clothes in there. So anyway, yeah, that's pretty much all that is going on, and I will continue to share updates as all of this unfolds. I just want to show y'all real quick this chair. So this is one of 6. I think 3 have been thrown out, and then this one is still here, and then this black one, which doesn't look as bad, and then a white one which looks like kind of bad but not this bad. But when I tell you guys, we have been having to replace everything because everything either looks like this or close to it. I'm not being dramatic when I say, you know, our washer and dryer looked worse than this. Like everything, our couch looked worse than this. Everything has looked this bad. And like, it's just a mess. And I mean, you know, it's old. It's like 7 years old. So anyway, it's falling apart on the floor. Like, this is how much of our furniture looked before we started replacing things. So just wanted to let y'all know, I would not recommend going out and buying everything new for a new house or even a new old house. But when your stuff is looking like this, it's just really not, it's gotta go. So this is the type of stuff I've been throwing out and replacing. Okay, so let's talk house updates. It's Saturday, January the 11th, and what has transpired. So I think I chatted with you guys last week. This week, really nothing major happened. DIRECTV came and installed, it was a bundle package, AT&T and DIRECTV, I guess they, you know, work together. They came and installed the dish, and we have cable now in 2 rooms downstairs And up in my husband's man cave, I have not watched any TV, but it just got installed like a couple of days ago. The garage is fixed. I'm about to show you guys the garage when I head out. It is so hot here in Georgia, like it's crazy. I'm trying to like preserve my electricity, y'all, because I've noticed that we have been using like way more electricity in this house. I mean, it's way bigger than the apartment, but I don't like it because I personally thought we used a lot of electricity at the old house, at the apartment. So the fact that I'm using more is a problem for me because I feel like that place was not well insulated. So like the electricity was pretty much running around the clock and the heat. And anyway, let me show you guys like literally the only thing that has been going on. That's gonna go off. The alarm is gonna go off if I go out there. I'll show you guys later. So this is my, I'm getting here. This is my office. It looks like garbage. And basically, the only thing I've spent really this week like researching is trying to figure out what I'm gonna do here. I already know credenza, 2 bookshelves, some more shelving if I need it, like floating shelves, new desk, and then where I'm standing, a couch, and then possibly like a glass end table I think would be cute. My battery's going dead. But I've been trying to think about what I'm gonna do on either side. Obviously, in an area rug and chandelier, but obviously if there's a glass end table over there, I've already measured how tall the potential couch will be, and it's gonna be almost the whole width of this. I mean, pretty much. So there might be a little bit of space over there. That might be too cluttered for further storage because the bookshelves that I want, come on, you can do it. Okay, maybe you can't do it. What, bro? Oh my gosh, come on. The bookshelves that I want are exposed. There's nothing to like it's basically an open bookshelf concept. So I was thinking like with the credenza, I hope to have some storage, but I may need like some actual storage. So that's why I was thinking I would put a bookcase there. I have measured one of them, and let me tell you what my dilemma is right now. The current dilemma is that I don't know if I want to go with like an IKEA glass Billy bookcase type of situation where it's a bookshelf but like open, so like you can see everything that's unorganized in there, or if I want to go with like a closed off type of bookshelf. I believe that the like glass Billy bookcase would be more aesthetically pleasing and provide more of an open concept. But if I'm really like trying to hide some stuff, I don't know. It really ain't that deep, to be honest, but they are both pretty much the same price. So now I'm having to think about things a little bit more. Like let's say the closed off one that I'm looking at was like half the price of the Billy bookcase. That's a no-brainer. But since they're the same price, now I'm like, oh my gosh, well, which one do I want? I'm gonna have to build them both. So, well, my husband will. So there's that. And then I was also thinking if I ever got tired of the bookcase, where could it then go? The closed off one could maybe go in like the, it could technically go behind the door, the front door. It could go in like the guest room or my office upstairs, the second office, or it could go in the laundry room in the corner. It might be able to kind of shift and move around. But the open one, the glass one, maybe could go in the living room or somewhere, you know, because you can't just have a bunch of crap in the bookcase. Like that's not a good look. So that's currently why I'm struggling. That's what my current struggle is. But let me show y'all what I'm looking at. I'm currently looking at this Billy bookcase from IKEA. As you can see, it has like an open concept. And then I'm also looking at this bookcase from Amazon. You make it bigger. And it looks really good in pictures, not really like in people's homes and the reviews. It looks really good. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm struggling with. Also, I think I'm gonna order these. I've also been on the hunt for bar stools, so I think I'm gonna order these, and they're so cute. I'm trying to debate if I'm gonna do 2 or 3, because technically I could get away with 3 at our counter, but 2 would probably be give people like breathing room. So that is the bar stools that I think I'm gonna order today. And then I think that's pretty much it. I did find a glass table online from Facebook Marketplace, of course. So I would replace this glass table, which is round and just not really doing it for me, with a rectangle one, which it's about 72 inches. So if you're wondering what that would be, it would basically be from about here, the end of the door or the beginning of it, to about the, why is this doing this? To about the end of, like in that little, about a little bit past the light switch. So I would put it though closer to here, and it would probably have the same cutoff because this is the only door that opens. And really, as long as like this chair is, I'm not gonna open that, the alarm will go off. But as long as this chair is about here, then you can kind of come in and out as you please and everything is kosher. So the width of the table is actually a little smaller than this because this is a round one, so the width is pretty big. So yeah, it would come about here, like to the beginning of the to the beginning of the laptop, and stretch the width of this pretty much, just like a little give on either side, and it would still go here, and there would be plenty of walking space back there to get into the door. So excuse me, I need to pick that up from the person. Look at this mess. I need to pick that up from the person next week, and then that means that I need to find some chairs because I will need chairs to go with the table because I don't have any. So that's kind of like where I've been like researching. I haven't really purchased anything. I haven't purchased anything at all since we last spoke, really. So that's kind of what's going on. As you can see, our grass is starting to come in back there. Beautiful, because it was like straw like over there. That's my neighbors, they got their grass, so they should be here probably in like 2 weeks. So ours is less straw-y, as you can see. So I'm here for that. And then let me show you the garage. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking hot out here. That's why I'm basically dying inside. The garage is now all brick. As you can see, it used to be vinyl up here. I don't know if you guys remember, it was vinyl. So I don't know if I'm gonna make a fuss about it, but like probably, because that kind of looks crazy. Let me take some pictures and send it to my husband and see what he thinks. But yeah, other than that, everything else has been going fairly well. There was a lot of drama with AT&T and the DIRECTV, and when AT&T did come out, finally, after going back and forth on the phone with them, because they didn't, it was just too much. Like, I wish I could have thrown away AT&T entirely. The issue is there are 3 companies that service this area. 2 of them need approval, which can take however long, and AT&T was the only people that could like show up because they already had their lines like pre-lined. I don't know, but that was a thing. So they're the only ones that could pop up. When they finally did pop up, they couldn't install the DirecTV because it was raining, which is understandable. But trying to like it was a loss of from top to bottom trying to get AT&T. I don't know what they have going on over there, but it was terrible. But I can say that, like, even when the lady told me we would have sports channels, ESPN and all of that, and then we didn't. So then we had to upgrade our package, which is a few dollars more, but it was just a mess from top to bottom. But I can say that the internet has been working fine. We have the middle tier, like there's like a 50 megabytes or whatever, and then like 100, no, there's like 100, a 300, and I think 1,000, and we have the middle one, which I guess is 300, and it's working perfectly fine. Videos upload really quickly, actually. So there's no issue there, but like that whole process was stressful. Then our security system, the guy pretty much told us the wrong price when he was here about the security system, so I'm trying to get them to deduct the money in excess of the amount that he told us, because I think he was looking at the wrong column. I'm not really sure, but I'm not paying these people as much money as they think that I am, so I'm waiting for them to respond to me and let me know you know, what that new price is going to be. So it's been quite stressful. This week has been like a hot mess actually. But I do think I have settled on the bar stools. I think they're gonna be really cute here. And I kind of have found some chairs. The bar stools, the bar stools are gonna be a little dark. So I was thinking that the chairs here, considering the couch is dark, should be lighter, like a lighter gray or like a cream or beige or something. So that's kind of what I'm battling with. But yeah, I don't know about this garage situation, so I'm gonna send pictures to my husband and see what he thinks. But I am off to a vision board party with a mentor group and everybody who is kind of like a part of that. Then I'm gonna come home and work, and then we're having a date night in, you guys. So my husband, I have so many vlogs that I need to edit, or my husband to edit and get posted, so you're probably not gonna see this for like 2 weeks, but we're doing a date night in. I do have to run some errands after the vision board party, but I'm excited for our date night in. Oh my gosh, that just reminded me. Let me double check that this meat is thawed, because, oh, it is, okay. Whew, cool, okay. Meat is thawed. All right, y'all. Our fridge, also another struggle. Oh, I got a new ring light. You guys probably are seeing, you probably already saw the video before now. But our freezer and our refrigerator was out of control. So y'all remember, I don't know if I filmed it, but the guy told us to have the freezer on 4 and the refrigerator on 4, and that was in the middle and perfect. But we noticed that our refrigerator was freezing things literally, and our freezer was, we opened it one day and there was frostbite. And we do think that that was also due to not turning off the ice maker or whatever, but the whole system was kind of like out of control. So this is no longer, I gotta clean that. I think that's like some wine debris. My husband hasn't drank his soda because he claims he's drinking water now, but I do think that, this is working out because this isn't frozen. I put this in here to thaw and it's thawed. So I think this is like a good setting. Although it doesn't really feel that cold. Anyway. So yeah, we're having a date night tonight, a date night in. We're gonna play a game, a new game that's gonna be delivered today. Shout out to Amazon, because I call myself going to Target to get the game, but it was not in stock. So I had to order it from Amazon, and it came, it's gonna come today. So I ordered it yesterday, early yesterday. So shout out to them. And yeah, we already have the food for the taco salad, and I do have some Stella Rosa Black back there that you guys put me on. And my husband has some Patron and Bud Light and everything. So yeah, it's gonna be like a chills night. I think my husband is gonna film it. So there's that. But yeah, those are pretty much all the updates that I needed to give you guys for the week. So yeah, I am out, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.